Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a credit card as a payment method on Shopify. Setting up a credit card payment option lets your customers pay easily and securely when buying from your store. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, we will head over to Settings. You can find Settings at the lower left side of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. Once you are in Settings, click on Billing. Under Billing, we can add a payment method, such as a credit card. To add a credit card, select the credit card option and fill in your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and billing information. Once the form is complete, go ahead and click Add Credit Card. And that's it. We have successfully added a credit card as a payment method on Shopify. Your customers can now enjoy a smooth and secure checkout experience.